Welcome again here on Smartness TV. Today we are together in teaching you, introducing yourself. Murakaza neza kuri Smartness TV. Uyu munsi turi kumwe kugira ngo tubigishe ni gute umuntu asuhuza, ni gute umuntu amenyekanisha undi mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Introducing someone. Introducing someone. Kumenyekanisha umuntu. Kumenyekanisha umuntu. Hello Mister. Hello Mister. Mukomere bwana. Mukomere bwana. Mukomere bwana. I'm John Peter. I'm John Peter. Yohani Petero. Yohani Petero. Ndi Yohani Petero. This is my friend Rugano. This is my friend Rugano. Uyu ni inshuti yanjye Rugano. Uyu ni inshuti yanjye Rugano. This is my friend Rugano. He is a trader. He is a trader. He is a trader. Ni umucuruzi. Ni umucuruzi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nishimiye kubabona. Nishimiye ko duhura. Nishimiye kubabona. I'm Patrick. I'm Patrick. Ndi Patrick. Ndi Patrick. This is my workmates. This is my workmates. Uyu turakora. This is my workmates. Uyu turakora. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Umuganga. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Murakoze. I'm happy to know you. 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 Nishimiye kubamenya. Nishimiye kubamenya. Goodbye. Murabeho. Goodbye. Murabeho. I repeat again, but very quickly. Hello, Mister. I'm John Peter. This is my friend Rugano. He is a trader. Nice to meet you. I'm Patrick. This is my workmate. He is a doctor. Thank you very much. I'm happy to know you. Goodbye. Murakoze cyane. We are together in teaching you the English, and we are together in teaching you Kinyarwanda for those ones who don't know to speak Kinyarwanda. This lesson can help you, can encourage you to continue to know Kinyarwanda. Thank you very much.